Founded in 2011, CARDOT Electronics Technology Company Limited is a modern private enterprise integrating R&D and sales. We mainly export automobile intelligent security products such as keyless entry system, mobile car controller, and one-key startup. Our products are sold well home and abroad and highly praised by customers home and abroad. We now have one sales center, one R&D center, two cooperating plants which have multiple automatic production lines, intelligent professional test equipment, strict production control, process flow, and efficient ERP management system to greatly improve the product quality, reduce the production and management costs, and strengthen the market competitiveness of products. We can help you quickly occupy the target market. Since being founded in 2011, we continuously carry out reform and innovation with technological innovation as the theme, market as orientation, and talent as the foundation. We have passed international authoritative certifications of CE, ROS, and SGS successively and adopted a new development road with proprietary intellectual property rights and certain brand impact. Our mission is to bring the safety and comfort of CARDOT's products to the global customers. Wherever you are, CARDOT is at your service. We are the sincere provider and practitioner of high-quality products and thoughtful services. Our vision is to be a pioneer in the automobile smart safety industry. Bring safety and comfort of CARDOT's products for every vehicle.
Embrace the character, embrace the quality, embrace the good service. Thank you.
So this product is second to none. So wow.
怎么又去抗拒？靠，哪里抗拒？
红酒开始。